Welcome back to SceptiCosmos. Today we're on another adventure, guided by our curiosity and our mission to unveil the mysteries beyond belief. Let's dive in. Today we turn our gaze closer to home, to the celestial object that has been a constant companion to our planet, the Moon. Often taken for granted due to its proximity, the Moon has a significant influence on our planet's life and climate, and its composition holds fascinating clues about its origins. So join us today as we delve into the secrets of our nearest neighbor, always with an eye to unveiling the mysteries beyond belief. To understand the origins of our celestial companion, we must voyage back in time, some 4.5 billion years to the early days of our solar system. This is when a titanic cosmic event is believed to have taken place, which led to the birth of the Moon. This event is encapsulated in the leading scientific theory known as the giant impact hypothesis, or colloquially as the Big Splash or giant whack theory. According to this theory, an object roughly the size of Mars, fondly referred to as Theia or Orpheus, was set on a collision course with the fledgling Earth. The resulting impact was nothing short of cataclysmic. The energy released was so immense that it caused Theia and a substantial chunk of Earth's mantle to melt and vaporize. This violent collision ejected a colossal plume of molten material and fragmented rocks into space. The ejected debris, caught in the gravitational grip of the Earth, began to form a ring-like structure encircling our planet. Over the course of a few hundred years, this orbiting ring of debris began to slowly coalesce, to accrete under the force of gravity, gradually taking the shape of the Moon. The giant impact hypothesis offers a compelling explanation for many of the Moon's features and its relationship with Earth. The similar composition of the Moon and Earth's mantle, the Moon's relative lack of iron, and the dynamics of the Earth-Moon system all serve to support this hypothesis. Yet, even as this theory holds the prevailing position, it continues to be refined and honed, with new discoveries and advances in technology sparking fresh perspectives and ideas. But what is the Moon made of? Well, if you're expecting cheese, you might be disappointed. The surface, adorned by regolith, a blend of fine dust and rugged rock, serves as a testament to the countless meteorite impacts endured over billions of years. Beneath it, we find the crust and mantle, rich in oxygen, silicon, magnesium, and iron, remarkably akin to Earth's mantle. This similarity underscores the plausibility of the giant impact hypothesis. At the core, we find a small iron and sulfur heart, markedly smaller than Earth's. Yet as we delve deeper into lunar science, a plethora of questions persist. The disparities in volatile elements and isotopic ratios between Earth and the Moon continually intrigue researchers. This unsolved puzzle propels the journey of lunar exploration, inspiring us to unveil the mysteries beyond belief. The Moon's influence extends far beyond lighting our night skies and inspiring poets. Its gravitational pull is responsible for the ebb and flow of Earth's tides, the gentle, rhythmic dance of our oceans. This lunar influence has not only shaped our coastlines and influenced marine life, but has also had a profound effect on human civilization, affecting everything from ancient navigation to modern fishing practices. Furthermore, the Moon plays a pivotal role in the stability of our planet's climate. The Moon's gravity ensures Earth's axial tilt remains relatively stable, which in turn allows the predictable cycle of seasons. Without the Moon, our planet might have a much more unstable and unpredictable climate, making life as we know it a more significant challenge. For ages, the Moon has acted as a beacon, igniting the spark of curiosity and the spirit of exploration within us. It has stood silent in our night sky, an eternal symbol of dreams and aspirations, kindling the imaginations of adventurers and explorers across time. The lust for lunar exploration fueled a scientific and technological marathon that we now know as the space race, culminating in a defining moment in our collective history, the Apollo 11 moon landing. On July 20th, 1969, the seemingly unreachable became a reality. Human feet, belonging to astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, imprinted the lunar dust, inscribing an unerasable testament of human achievement on the lunar surface. This moment not only marked a victory for humanity's pioneering spirit, but also turned the moon from a celestial enigma into a vast expanse open for exploration and discovery. The lunar conquest didn't stop there. The Apollo missions and subsequent lunar explorations brought back samples, lunar rocks, and soil that have proven to be windows into the moon's past. These priceless treasures have allowed us to piece together the moon's history, understanding its composition, and deciphering its intricate dance with Earth over the eons. As we studied these lunar remnants, we unraveled not just the secrets of our closest celestial companion, but also the genesis of our own planet and the early conditions that set the stage for the symphony of life. Indeed, the moon has been more than a silent spectator in the saga of Earth. It has subtly yet profoundly shaped our world's ecosystem and climate. The moon's gravitational embrace has kept Earth's axial tilt in check, thus setting the rhythm of our seasons. Its presence even dictates the length of our day, albeit very gradually over vast epochs. Without the moon, Earth would likely be a stranger to us, a planet prone to erratic weather patterns and a volatile climate. In a development that resembles the plot of a sci-fi epic, China, a rising titan in the realm of space exploration, has announced plans that could forever change the face of the moon. Envisioning a future where humans stride not just on Earth but also on lunar soil, China has set its eyes on a landmark achievement: the construction of a lunar base within the next 5 years. And in an incredible demonstration of human ingenuity and resourcefulness, they intend to use the very fabric of the moon itself. Lunar regolith, the layer of loose, fragmented material covering solid bedrock, will be transformed into construction bricks, lending a new meaning to the phrase, living off the land. On May 5, 2020, China took a momentous leap towards this audacious goal. The successful launch of a new rocket reverberated around the globe, signaling the nation's lofty ambitions. Not only does China aspire to operate a permanent space station, but it also plans to send astronauts or taikonauts to etch their footprints alongside those of Armstrong and Aldrin on the lunar surface. As we stride further into the 21st century, the moon has re-emerged in our sights, not just as a celestial curiosity, but as a frontier for our future explorations and potential colonization. Both governmental space agencies and private corporations have set their sights on our lunar neighbor, aiming to not just revisit it, but establish a sustainable human presence. The moon is seen as a gateway, a stepping stone for expanding our reach into the cosmos, deepening our understanding of the universe, and perhaps finding our place within it. If you've enjoyed this lunar adventure and want to join us on more expeditions to the frontiers of knowledge, remember to subscribe to SceptiCosmos. Hit the like button if you found this enlightening, and don't hesitate to share the video, spreading the wonders of our universe far and wide. Your support helps us continue unveiling the mysteries beyond belief. Stay curious, stay engaged, and keep your eyes on the stars.